Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a very common and useful task in Tableau, converting the values in a bar graph into percentages. Displaying data as percentages is incredibly powerful because it helps your audience quickly understand the contribution of each part to the whole. It makes comparing different categories much easier than trying to interpret large, absolute numbers. It's all about providing context and making your data story clearer. So, let's dive right in and see how simple it is to transform your standard bar chart into a powerful percentage-based visualization. First, you need to create a basic bar graph. For our example, let's drag a dimension, like region, onto the columns shelf. Then, we'll take a measure, perhaps sales, and drag it to the rows shelf. Instantly, you have a standard bar chart showing the total sales for each region. To see the actual values on these bars, we need to add data labels. This is also very straightforward. Just find the sales measure in your data pane again, drag it over, and this time, drop it directly onto the label box located on the marks card. You will now see the specific sales value displayed on top of each bar. Now for the most important step, converting these values to percentages. We want the bars themselves, and the axis, to represent the percentage of total sales. To do this, find the sales pill that is currently on your rows shelf. Right-click on that pill. A context menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the option called Quick Table Calculation. From the secondary menu that opens up, simply click on % of total. Instantly, you'll see the chart transform. The y-axis on the left has changed from dollar values to a percentage scale, and the bars have automatically resized to show their proportion of the total sales across all regions. However, we have one more thing to fix. Notice that the labels on the bars are still showing the original, large sales numbers. This is confusing for the viewer, so we need to update them to also show percentages. To do this, go back to the marks card where your label is. You should see a sum, sales, pill there. We just need to apply the exact same calculation to this pill. So, right-click on that sum, sales, pill on the label mark, go to Quick Table Calculation again, and select % of total. Now, your labels perfectly match your bars, with both showing the correct percentage. To give it a final professional polish, we should format the label. The number might be showing as a decimal, like 0.25, when you want it to look like 25%. To fix this, right-click on that same sum, sales, pill on the label mark one last time and choose Format. A new formatting pane will open up on the left side of your screen. Under the Default section, find the Numbers drop-down menu. Click it and select percentage. Here, you can also choose how many decimal places you want to display. And that's it. Your bar graph now clearly and effectively communicates the percentage distribution. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps. For more simple Tableau tips and detailed tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.